Next up, we have linking, and linking is just joining together of words. And so what happens is when we reduce the letters, or when we drop the H, or when we drop the A, the D, and all those stuff in um, so when we drop these things, we have to link it to what came before it. So when structured words such as her, he, him, his, have, has, or had occur in the middle of a phrase, the H sound is often dropped. So what did he do? Okay, sounds like, what did he do? Right? What did he call me? Sounds like, will he call me? Right? So these are the sounds. And you see that there's almost this linking between the did and the D in did and the E in he. What did he do? Oh, sorry. What did he do? All right, what did he do? And it sounds like, what did he do? But really what you're saying is, what did he do? Okay. So that's that. So we link it to the letter that was right before it. What did he call me? So the L links to the E, and so it then sounds like, will he call me? Okay, but that's not what we're saying. We're saying, will he call me? And something to note is that you do not need to drop the H for others to understand you. Really, you do not have to drop the H for other people to understand you. I can easily say, what did he do? And emphasize the he as well. What did he call me? Again, however, many native speakers do often drop the H, so understanding that the H is often dropped will help your listening skills as well as your reading, as well as your speaking and pronunciation.